Welcome to session 38 of Word Power Made Easy, and here we are going to discuss about a comprehensive test number 2, and we are going to check your knowledge. So whatever we have learned, this is just a summary of all learning, and you need to give the correct answer so that you can verify your progress. So here is a root word and example. For example, scribo. Scribo means prescribe, means you are writing when you are telling someone not to take something. So scribo means to write. EQE means equal. So equivocal means somebody who is remain silent and composed in a negative situation. Malus means bad. So malign means bad. So bad is the meaning. Dico and dictus. Dictus means to say or tell. So malediction, to say something bad. Volvo means to wish. So malevolent means to wish bad to someone. Facio means to do or make. So malefactor means to do something bad. Bonus means good or well. So benevolent. Fides means fate. So infidelity means somebody who is dishonest. Dono means to give. So condone means to forgive someone. Nox means night. So equinox means equal day and equal night time. Equus means horse. EQUS. Equus means horse. Equestrian means somebody is riding on the horse. Libra means balance. So equilibrium means balance. Taceo means silent. So taciturn means a very terse reply or a very laconic reply. Loquor means speak. So loquacious means somebody who can speak well. Solos means oneself. So soliloquy means you are talking to yourself. Venter means belly. So ventral. Magnus means large. So magniloquence means somebody who is speaking large and big and grand. Verbum means to word, true word, so verbatim. Volvo means to run, so voluble. Animus means mind, so pusil animus. Dorsum means back, so endorse means to back somebody. Vox means vocal. Pharaoh means to carry, so vociferous or factory. Ambulo means to walk, so somnambulist, somebody who is walking in sleep. Somnus means to sleep, so somnolent. Next we are going to discuss about the root, some more words. Fenein means to sow, so sycophant. Vir means male, so Virgo, Virigo. Or patris means father, so patricides means killing of one's father. Onyma means name, so synonyms means same meaning. Homos means same, so homonym means the pronunciation of some words are same but the meaning are different. Phono means sound, so homophone means same sound, like cacophony means bad sound. Euphony means good sound. Archain means rule, so matriarch means rule of a mother. Mater means mother, so matriarch. Credo means side, means to kill, so suicide means killing oneself. Homo means person, so homicide means killing of a person. Uxor means wife, so uxoricide means killing of one's wife. Meritus means husband, so meriticide, so killing of an husband. Pyros means fire, so pyromania means fear of fire. Theos means God, so atheist means not believing God. Vivo means to live, so viviparous means a person who is very lively. Credo means to believe, so credulous. If you believe somebody, then you are credulous. Panjo means to pierce, so pungency means very, very sharp. It will make a hole. Unus means one, so unanimous means one opinion. Trepido means fear. Intrepid means brave, not fear. Scintillae means spark, so scintillate means sparkling or witty. Urbs means city, so urbanity. Rus means country, so rural or rustic. Gnosis means knowledge, so prognosis means knowledge in advance. Pan means all, so pantheism means you believe that God is everywhere and in all form. Omnis means all, so omniscient means who knows everything. Now here is a pair of words, it is either same or opposite. Disparage means to speak bad about someone, so praise, so it is opposite. Proscribe, proscribe means to tell somebody not to take certain things, so it is like prohibit. Placate, placate means to make somebody soothe and calm. And irritate, so they are opposite. Taciturnus means a very small reply, and talkative means somebody who is speaking more, so opposite. Cogent, cogent means a very logical answer, so it is brilliant. Atheistic means somebody who is believing God and religious. Convivial, convivial means uh, who is friendly and unfriendly, so this is opposite. Ingenious, ingenious means somebody who is, here an I is there, so somebody who is very artful, very crafty, so it is not same. Perspicacious means keen-minded, it is same. Intrepid, intrepid means fearful or brave, so it is same. Malign, malign means to speak bad about someone. Embrace to means to speak good about someone, so these are opposite. Inarticulate, inarticulate means to speak and verbal, so this is same. Verbose, verbose means to speak more and more, and laconic to speak less, so opposite. Tyro, tyro means a beginner, and virtuous means experts, so this is opposite. Megalomania is large hearted, and modesty, so it is same. Satyriasis and nymphomania. Satyriasis means a male who is looking after a sex, and nymphomania means a lady who is looking after a sex, so this is opposite. Claustrophobia means fear of open spaces, and agoraphobia means an enclosed structure, so it is almost same. Infatigable means tirelessness, so it is same. Credulous means somebody who believes, and skeptical who doesn't believe. Animosity means hostility. Now here is a description and words are given and we have to match. Is lewd and lustful, so it is lecher. Lecher means somebody who is lewd and lustful. Caters to the rich. Caters to the rich means somebody who is sycophant, means bootlicker. Is an accomplished musician. Is an accomplished musician, virtuoso. Now what is the opposite of virtuoso? Is tyro. Number 3, sneers at traditions. So iconoclast. Iconoclast means somebody who doesn't believe in traditions, customs and norms and values. Is the mother ruler of a family, tribe or nation, so it is known as matriarch. Has an irresistible urge to steal, so it is kleptomaniac, means shoplifting. Is excessively patriotic. Excessively patriotic means chauvinist. Is loud-mouthed woman, so it is known as virago. Loud mouth, so it is virago or termagant. Is a beginner, so it is a tyro. Is a dabbler, means dilettante. Dillettante, dilettante. Here again the words are there and you have to match with the correct word. Does not know whether or not God exists, so that person is known as agnostic. He may and may not, so may and may not means agnostic. He is a criminal, means malefactor. He is considered is a connoisseur of good food, so he is gourmet. Sets fire for revenge. Sets fire for revenge. He is incendiary. Meets adversity or pain without flinching, so he is a stoic kind of person, so stoic. Number 7, walks in his sleep. So somebody is walking in sleep. is som somnambulist. Somnambulist. He is obsessively addicted to drink. So dipsomania, alcoholic habits. Has imaginary ailments. So hypochondriac means somebody who is not ill but he is believe that he is not well. So hypochondriac. Compulsively sets fire. Compulsively sets fire. So pyromaniac. He is a woman who is sexually insatiable. So he is known as nymphomaniac. To make unnecessary, obviate, to flatter flusely, so adulate, to spread slander about someone, so you are maligning someone. Economical in speech, so it is known as laconic. Tired and hackneyed means banal, very simple. Word for word is verbatim. Killing of masses of people is known as genocide. Inheritance from one's father, it is known as patrimony. Money means money, patri means from father. Belief in many gods, so pan-atheist. Pan means all and atheist means God. So belief in many gods, so it is known as polyatheist. Poly means many. A person aggressively fighting for a cause is known as militant. Sincere, valid in good faith is benevolent. Dabbling ceaselessly about trivial matter is known as garrulous. To speak to oneself as in a play, soliloquy. Masterpiece is magnus opus. Magnum opus. Unselfish, not revengeful, is magnanimous. Able to walk after being bedridden, ambulatory. Inability to fall asleep, insomnia. Morbid fear of height, acrophobia. Killing of one's brother, fratricide. Opposite in meaning, antonyms. Joy of life, joy de vivere. The rob of life or vigor, devitalize. Experience unsophistications, name. Scrupulous, careful in the observations of proper procedure. Perspicacious. Clear, understandable. Perspicacious. Very cautious and watchful. Circumspicious. Backward look, retrospect. All of one by, unanimous. Uncomplaining in face of pain, stoic. Between cities, intra-urban. So here we are ending the session number 38. The PDF file is given in a description box. Kindly download the PDF file and practice on it to master the vocabulary. So this is the way to practice the vocab, and watch these videos. If you like it, you like the videos. If you dislike it, give me the suggestions. Thank you very much. See you again in the next session. Thank you.